Now to the Karen Reed trial, back in session after yesterday's break with heated cross-examination today. Defense attorneys grilling Jennifer McCabe about her phone activity the night of John O'Keefe's death, including text messages, phone calls, and Google searches.
Now, the defense is working to paint McCabe as the mastermind of an effort to frame Reed. WBZ's Kristina takes us into the courtroom for a day of tense back and forth.
You knew better. You knew better.
3 days of Jen McCabe finally ended Friday after a heated exchange with defense attorneys focused on why, in the 7 minutes between McCabe's 911 call and first responders arriving to the frantic scene that snowy morning, McCabe did not go get help from her sister and brother-in-law inside the house.
You had no reason to believe they weren't okay. A man was dead or dying on their lawn, and your sister's not answering the phone. And nobody is coming out to the chaos of Karen Reed screaming on the front lawn. You didn't think there was some reason to believe they could have been in peril?
I didn't, because your client was screaming she hit him. She had a cracked taillight. She was crying she hit him. I didn't, but my focus... Can I finish, please?
You had solved the crime right then and there. You solved the whole case.
The defense claims McCabe colluded with her friends and family to frame Karen Reed for John O'Keefe's murder.
I would maybe use the word quarterback.
The defense also showed a group chat from the days after O'Keefe's death, in which Jen's husband said, "Tell news reporters the guy never went in the house. And if Karen Reed pleads, this will end. If she fights, it'll be an episode."
I don't know what would make them think I'd plead at anything, because I didn't do anything.
But more texts presented by prosecutors from that time paint a different picture, like this one from McCabe.
My mind is racing. I have that awful feeling in my gut like I am about to puke. Besides seeing the awful image, trying to wrap my head around what happened to him.
During Reed's first trial, McCabe's cross-examination was a big moment. WBZ legal analyst Catherine Loftus weighs in on whether the defense landed the same punches this time.
She really didn't give in to a lot of the questions he was pushing her on. And she's finally starting to give it back a little bit so then he can escalate it. And, that's only helpful to the defense, really.
And there was one more witness who took the stand after Jen McCabe finished. That was a Mass State Police crime lab chemist to wrap up the day. Testimony picks back up first thing Monday morning. In Dedham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Kristina, thank you.